Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street words. Today's word is secondary market. This confuses a lot of people, and let me take it slow here. When a company first issues their shares on an IPO, they first come out of the company treasury and they start trading. The money goes to the company. On a secondary market, I'm an investor. I go to my E-Trade account. I buy 100 shares of IBM. I don't know where it came from, but somebody else sold me the IBM, not the company. That's called the secondary market. That's trading amongst investors on an exchange. Secondary market is not where the company's trading, but where the securities of a company are trading between this investor and that investor on basically anonymity. You don't know what investor's selling and you don't know what investor's buying, but it's not the company, it's the secondary market. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.